May-ari ng mundo, ibibigay ang lahat ng gusto mo. Araw-araw pasisikatin ang araw, buwan-buwan pabibilugin ko ang buwan para sa'yo. Para sa'yo, susungkitin mga bituin para lang makahiling na sana'y maging akin puso mo at damdamin. Kung pwede lang, kung kaya lang, kung akin ang mundo, lahat ng ito iaalay ko sa'yo. Kung ako may-ari ng puso, gusto mo, hindi naluluha ang iyong mga mata, mananatiling may ngiti sa iyong labi. Para sa'yo, para sa'yo, susungkitin mga bituin para lang makahiling na sana'y maging akin puso mo at damdamin. Kung pwede lang, kung kaya lang, kung akin ang mundo, ang lahat ng ito iaalay ko sa'yo. Susungkitin mga bituin para lang makahiling na sana'y maging akin puso mo at damdamin. Kung pwede lang, kung kaya lang, kung akin ang mundo, ang lahat ng ito, ang lahat ng ito, ang lahat ng ito gagawin para sa'yo. Ibigin, alam mo ba kung paano nahulog sa'yo? Naramdaman lang bigla ng puso, aking sinta, ikaw lang nagparamdam nito. Kaya sabihin mo sa'kin ang tumatakbo sa isip mo. Kung mahal kakaiba. Hindi ka ba nalilito? Totoo na pang gusto ko. Huwag nang labanan ng puso. Alam kong mahal mo ako. Kung ganon, halika na, huwag lumaya. Isayaw mo ako. Sa gitna ng ulan, mahal ko. Kapalit-palit ito'y buhay ko. Gagawin ang lahat para sa'yo. Alam ko mahal mo na rin ako. Isayaw mo ako. Sa gitna ng ulan, mahal ko. Kapalit man ito'y buhay ko. Gagawin ang lahat para sa'yo. Alam kong mahal mo na rin ako. Good evening. My name is Mimi Marquez. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. Kumusta kayong lahat? Okay naman? Okay. Well, this is my second time to actually to be a part of this Pinoy playlist. The first time, I think, was the very first one, which was in 2019, 2018, if I'm not mistaken, yeah. But, so this feels very familiar, and I performed in the same venue, to be specific. I think solo artists are usually here, right? Anyway, I'm just so glad to be invited again to perform for our audiences, of course, doing all original Filipino music. I'm delighted to be here tonight, despite some circumstance, but I'm just thrilled to be here. And I have carefully curated songs that I will sing tonight. So that song that I just did a while ago is something that I just learned for this because I need to do something that's contemporary. I've never sung, well, medyo an old soul kasi ako. So to those of you who know me, I prefer to sing songs that are matatanda na. And I'm sure that Filipinos are yung makabagbag, is that how you say, makabagbag damdamin. Most of the classic songs are actually like that. And speaking of makabagbag damdamin, I like to, well, di pa pala. Okay, let me sit lang. Maybe some of you saw me before when I was in Star na Million pa. Or in Rock of Ages. I look different now. That's why I go by Mimi now, by the way. So it used to be Jimmy. It was Jimmy, and then turned into Jimi, and then now it's Mimi, which has been my nickname ever since I was a little girl. Little girl! Direct Ruel, is that Direct Ruel? Hi, Direct. Good to see you again. Oh, Direct Ruel, by the way, was one of the judges of Search for a Star in a Million, the batch that I was a part of. Long time, Direct. So, girl na po ako ngayon. That time na pa ako ng little boy. Little boy. Anyway, this next song that I'm gonna do is an original song that I did when I released my very first CD live pa. So, medyo matanda na nga ako kasi CD live pa. Right after the competition, I released an album. I know you've not heard of it. But this was one of the songs that I sang in the album, and it was composed by Marcus Davis Jr., a Black American artist, and this is called Hero. again. You've been hurting since I met you, too afraid to let me in. I know he scarred you deep when he broke your heart, but I swear I'm not that guy. All the walls you put up, I will tear them down if you'll only give me a try. I wanna be a knight in shining armor. I wanna be the one to rescue you, to show you there's no reason left to worry, 'cause my heart belongs to you. I wanna be a hero, hero. I wanna be a hero, hero. Let's start over from beginning, 'cause I'm meant for you, and I know you'll see me, I promise. 'Cause I was made for you, and you for me. Scarred you deep when he broke your heart, but I swear I'm not that guy. All the walls you put up, I will tear them down if you'll only give me a try. I wanna be a knight in shining armor. I wanna be the one to rescue you, to show you there's no reason left to worry, 'cause my heart belongs to you. I wanna be a hero, hero. Sing with me, guys. I
Wanna be a hero, hero.
Someone to get you when you fall. I feel your heart's reaching for someone. Let me be the one, feel you in my arms and never let you go. I wanna be a hero, hero, hero. I wanna be a hero, hero. I wanna be a hero, hero. Someone to get you when you Thank you. Ay, kapatid, ano na ako? Mini na ako. I was telling the Okay. Well, he was excited to kind of like see me again after a while kasi ngayon nila ako nakita na nakadress na. Here's a beautiful Brian K. original. I'd like to do my own version of this one. panaginip, sana'y mamasdan ka sa tuwina. Kahit na di na gumising pa, huwag lang malayo sa piling mo. Inibig kahit ika'y panaginip sana'y mamasdan ka sa tuwina. Kahit na di na gumising pa, huwag lang malayo sa piling mo. Inibig kahit ika'y panaginip lang. Inibig kahit... Sorry guys. Panaginip I'm so sorry. Okay. Please. Pasensya na. Maganda lang ako, pero emotional ako talaga. Gusto niyo yung maganda lang ako. No, just in case, in the middle of a song, iyak. My mom passed away last Friday, so it's been a week. And, it would have been much easier if I said I couldn't make it tonight, but, I wanted to do this, and I said yes to Kuya Moy way before. So, I said, and my mom would have wanted me to be professional, but it's just, I need a picture. But I'm gonna try to pull through, I promise. Pasensya na lang kung hindi lang ako ng guilty. Inisip ko naman siya, sabi ko, every song that I'll do is for her. So anyway, as I mentioned earlier, ang weird na bigla na ako. But I've been trying to keep it together since the first song. Mahirap lang siya. But I'm gonna do it. Here's a mashup of a couple of songs that comes to OPM. One was composed by Mr. Louis Ignacio, and the other is from Mr. Ryan Cayabyab. favorite kasi Mr. Siache. So I'd like to do this heartbreaking mashup. How can things go wrong when you're here with me? All of time and space would stop. They'd stop for you and me. How can we go wrong? We're like words within a song. Perfect rhyme and perfect time and perfect harmony. Now our words have lost their way, and all they seem to say, you don't intend to stay with me. Tell me when we have come this far, we're happy as we are. But now there are nights when I can't help but cry and wonder why you had to leave me. Why did it have to end so soon? When you said that you would never leave me. Tell me, where did I go wrong? What did I do to make you change your mind completely? When I thought this love would never end, but if this love's not ours to have, I'd let it go with you. Goodbye, our words have lost their way, and all they seem to say, you don't intend to stay with me. Tell me why, when we have come this far, we're happy as we are. But now, how can I feel right when you're not by my side? Strange that I'm here all alone as I recall the happy times, the happy songs, the perfect ride. How can I go on? How can I move my awesome pianist for tonight and during my gigs also. By the way, that was arranged, that mashup was arranged by Mr. Marvin Querido. I did that during my last concert and actually hindi ako nagpaalam na gagawin ko siya tuloy. No, Sir Marvin, I love you. If you have any request, ano to gig? Nakalimutan. Gig daw. Okay, now I'd like to do a female song naman. Oh, ay, maganda pala pag naka-open yung nakikita ko sarili ko. Ang ganda naman naman. Char. Char. No, but here's a beautiful Lani Masalucha original. Kay hirap pala umibig sa di tamang panahon. Kung bakit ngayon ko lang natagpuan ang isang katulad mo. Noon pa kita nakilala, sana noon pa lang ng puso ay malaya magmahal. Bukas na lang kita sa paglaya ng ating mga puso. Bukas lang kita kahirap pala umibig sa di tamang panahon. Kung bakit ngayon ko lang natagpuan ang isang katulad mo. Sana noon nakilala, sana noon pa lang ng puso ay malaya pa magmahal. Bukas na lang kita mamahalin. Saya'y sa paglaya ng ating mga puso. Bukas Umibirit ako, sabi ko, parang kailangan kong gumalyan. So, lalo na pag sabi ko, should I, di ba na mawapoy ako kasi sa, bigla na lang ako magalpak, no? Anyway, to those who just walked in, welcome to my set. Maraming salamat for joining kahit late po kayo. Charlie. Di ba po may what do you call that? May charge kapag late. Jeff. Jeff is a very good singer, performer also. He's a theater actor and a singer. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you to all of you for joining me tonight, and of course, Abby. To my Mimi Soul sisters who've been here since 2:30. Para lang makapila sila kasi sold out na. Sold out ba? Parang wala na no? Pero hindi naman na sold out yung seats ko. Bakit kayo? Okay. Well, we're almost done. Bilis. I was gonna say, hindi, not an excuse, but I haven't been sleeping well, of course, because of the situation, but kailangan talaga, kasi I was committed to doing this. And the first thing that came to mind when I said yes to this show is this song, the one that I competed in the 9th Shanghai Music Festival Best Singer Competition. I hope I can do justice to this song. Written and composed by Mr. Benny Saturno. I used this in the competition and I won silver out of 24 contestants. But I hope I can do justice to this tonight. So mahirap siya kantahin. I'm just trying to, let's do this. And if you know the song, please don't sing. Chare. No, please, I would need your power to help me get through this song. This is called Minsa'y Naging Bahagi Ka. Nalilito ang puso ko mula nang makilala ka. Naghanap ang mga halik, mga yakap mo na kahit kung ito'y isang pangarap at kung di man hayaan mo sabihin ko minamahal kita at kung di ngayo'y maghihintay ako ng tamang panahon, sana'y maging malaya ang puso bukas kung di ngayon. Nakapiling ka, yakap mo't halik ay nadama at minsan ay naging bahagi ka. Oh, bakit nga ba ngayon lamang dumating ang isang katulad mo? tune. I've never, well, I sang that I promoted that as my very first single, but hindi na siya na-promote right after that. I sang it on ASAP, but that's about it. Anyway, I love that song, and I wish that I can sing that more often, under a better circumstance, but tonight, I couldn't be more thankful to all of you for being here. Kahit po late kayo, ma'am, sige po, pasok lang po. Dito po tayo sa harap. Okay lang po, ma'am. Kayo po susunod na. Again, thank you so much to all of you. Para naman makita niyo yung slip ng dress ko, tatay. Pati kakagaw na ako. No, he's very excited to see me because we haven't seen each other since pre-pandemic. And now that I'm a dalaga na. Dalaga! Kasi dati dalaging ding pa. I'd like to leave you. Thank you again for coming to my set. I appreciate each and every one of you. Kahit po, kayo man, kahit na last song na po kayo dumating, maraming salamat talaga. Magbayad lang po kayo ng meron pong penalty. Ayan, hindi pa siya nakikinig sa akin. Late na nga siya, last song na, hindi pa siya nakikinig. Meron po ba kayong pag-uusapan dun sa katabi mo ba? Charing lang. Thank you so much. Of course, give it up for Abby Lotario, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for saying yes, Abby. And I hope to do more of this with you and the band, of course. Yes. And again, thank you so much. I'd like to thank myself for my hair and makeup. I'd like to thank Posh Nails and Wall for my sponsors and Smile Creations for Dr. Frank. And of course, you may follow me on IG, TikTok, Mimi Marquez New. Ayan. Pati yung slip ko nawawa na siya. Hindi siya na. Nadidislocate siya. Anyway, thank you so much. Para makita yung legs ko. Charing lang. Jeb, so good to see you again. I'd like to leave you with this medley of 80s hits. And sana nag-enjoy kayo sa set ko. And if you know any of these songs, please shut the up. Charing. Please help me sing.
Mimi Marquez. Thank you for holding it together for us and for your mom. And your mom will be so happy to see you in a musical next year. You'll see Mimi in a very, very big musical next year.
Yay!
But thank you. Excited about Jack already. So, yun. Thank you for being part of Pinoy Playlist. And your mom should be so proud of you. Thank you. Tapos sabi ni Abby, may love life ka naman daw. So okay naman daw. Someone should be taking care of you also. So but we're all here to support you. Kaibigan mo siya ni Darna, kaya yun. Maraming nagmamahal sa kanya, taga-alaga sa kanya. Palakpakan mo natin yun. Miss Tia Navarro will be here up next. And then after that, we all go to the main theater because we're awarding the Ryan Kiabiang Awardees with Sir Ludgar Galaban and Sir Gil Lopez Camayo. Maraming salamat po. Tia Navarro sa place. Maraming salamat.